Included in your hardware bag, tether ground stakes. Unit ground stakes. Handle clips, these are used to clip the handle to the side of the carrier. Supplied wrench. 2 supplied hex wrenches. Thumb protector for pull buttons. 3 unit stake points. 12 stake point screws. 12 small nylock nuts. 4 large nylock nuts. 2 washers for the rear wheels. To assemble your carrier. First, remove the protective foam blocks. Assemble the caster wheels by separating the wheel from the bracket. Loosen the screw on one side of the axle and pull the axle out, and the wheel will come loose. Next, place the caster bracket on the end of the carrier with the round receivers. This is also the end where the handle receiver is located. Place only a nut, with no washer, on the threaded bolt, and tighten it with the supplied wrench. Do not over-tighten it. With the nut on, place the wheels back onto the carrier with the tread of the wheels facing in the same direction. Reinsert the axle. Then, place the screw, washer, and lock washer back on. Tighten with the supplied hex wrenches. Make sure to get these nice and tight on there. To assemble the rear wheels, you will again separate the wheel from the bracket, like previously done on the caster wheels. Place the bracket over the threaded bolt and press down onto the 4 locating pins. Then, place a washer with a nut and tighten it with the supplied wrench. Remember, do not over-tighten. Now, reinstall the wheel back onto the bracket. And tighten the screws with the supplied hex wrenches. Insert the handle of the TheShadeWagon into the slot on the front end of the carrier, by the caster wheels. The TheShadeWagon has 1, 2, 3 ground staking points located on the main unit. In your hardware bag, you had 3 stainless steel staking points, 12 screws, and 12 nylock nuts. You will also need a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. First, lift the system out of the box until it clicks. Then, pull the plunger to rotate the system upward until it locks. Take one of your staking points, 4 nylock nuts and 4 screws. Place the stainless steel staking point into place and insert 1 screw into each of the 4 holes on the outside of the box. Then, take your nylock nuts and twist those onto the screw that is protruding inside of the box. Using your adjustable wrench to hold the nut into place, take your screwdriver and tighten each screw. Repeat these same steps for each one of the 3 staking points. Your assembled TheShadeWagon will be a player against the elements when using your staking points. For any additional questions on assembly, please email customer service at theshadewagon.com.